Hi, this is Ben from 24/7Me. Today Xiaomi have released two brand new products. So I thought before I get my hands on them, I can do a quick introduction so you can see the specs and see what we have to look forward to. It is the Redmi 6 Pro and the Mi Pad 4. So first of all, let's have a look at the phone. Now this is an improvement on the Redmi 6 that was released just over a week ago. It has a 5.84-inch Full HD 19:9 screen ratio. You can see a slight notch at the top and a thin bezel at the bottom, but overall the bezels are a big improvement over the Redmi 6. Internally, it has a Snapdragon 625 chip, and so once again they've used this. Xiaomi seem to be liking this chip at the moment, so they've put the 625 in there. Also internally, it has a 4000 mAh battery. Now they are claiming that it has a really long usage time on this. 1000 mAh is bigger than the Redmi 6, so it is a big improvement there. As we saw earlier, the screen does have a notch at the top. Now this notch is slightly smaller than the Mi 8 notch, so the notch there just has the front-facing camera, which is a 5 megapixel camera, and also the speaker there. On the back, we can see the dual cameras set up here. On the Redmi 6, it was horizontally laid out. Now on this, it's now vertically laid out. So we have a 12 megapixel camera, a 5 megapixel camera. This is paired with Xiaomi's AI camera software. So it can detect what you're taking a photo of. It can detect whether it's food, plants, people. It can also select portrait mode. So it is really useful to use. I am impressed with the software there. Also, a couple of other features. It has raise to wake, which I like that on the Redmi 6. But my favourite feature is the memory card tray. So in here we can put two SIM cards and a micro SD card. Now this is expandable up to 256 gig. It comes in 5 different colours. It comes in gold, red, blue, pink and black. The two I'm looking forward to, if you've seen it on Twitter, I'm really looking forward to the blue version and also the black version. If they look at it in person, if it's as good as the photos, then these should look really good. It starts at 999 Chinese yuan, about $150 if you convert it directly, and that's for the 3 with 32 gig version. There's also a 4 gig with 32 gig version and a 4 gig with 64 gig version. These are 3 variants that are available. So that's the Redmi 6 Pro. Now the Mi Pad 4. So the Mi Pad 3 was released just over a year ago. And this is a big improvement. Straight away the screen, slightly larger, 6% bigger, an 8-inch Full HD screen, a 16:10 ratio. But the case and the chassis is actually 9.4% smaller. So we get a better screen to body ratio, should be slightly lighter, and with a metal chassis it should feel nice and comfortable to hold and use. Internally we have a Snapdragon 660 chip. This runs at 2.2 gigahertz, so it should feel really snappy, really quick. It has multitasking built in, so this should feel really quick to use, and there shouldn't be a problem with this chip here. Now, also interesting about this is it's coming in an LTE version. So there are 3 variants available. There's a 3 gig with 32 gig Wi-Fi version, a 4 gig with 64 gig Wi-Fi version, and a 4 gig with 64 gig LTE and Wi-Fi version. This LTE version is just 100 Chinese yuan more than the standard Wi-Fi version. So it's a really nice function to have that built in, so you've got data on the go for not much more money. So my choice is to go for the 4 with 64 gig LTE version. Comes in 2 colours, comes in black, comes in pink, so really looking forward to getting our hands on there. So there we have it. That is the Redmi 6 Pro and the Mi Pad 4. Both go on sale this week. The Redmi 6 Pro goes on sale on the 26th of June. The Mi Pad 4 goes on sale on the 29th of June. Currently it's only a Chinese release. There is no news of an international release yet. So if you want to get your hands on these, my suggestion is to check out GearBest. If you follow the link in our description, you'll be able to see the different models they have available, compare them, also the different colours they have. So head over there if you want to get your hands on that early. And we'll get, as soon as they come into store, now we'll get our hands-on video prepared so you can see what these are really like and what our opinion of them is using them in person. So don't forget to subscribe, so as soon as the video goes live you can check out what we really think. Thanks very much for watching. Any requests or any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments, and we'll see you soon for the hands-on review.